Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things, so come and join me. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook a frozen turkey breast in the Instant Pot. Let's do it. I've already removed my turkey breast from the bag. Now we're just going to put a little olive oil on it. Going to rub that in. While I'm preparing the turkey breast, I'm going to go ahead and put 1.5 cups of chicken broth into my Instant Pot. Let's go ahead and turn it on, pressure cook high. Go ahead and put in 1 can of cream of celery soup. Now I'm going to put my seasoning on my turkey breast, which is 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, a light sprinkle of garlic powder, a sprinkle of pink Himalayan salt, and fresh ground black pepper. Let's put the trivet down inside. Put the turkey breast in. Put the lid on, and we are going to let it come to pressure and cook for 50 minutes. Let it do a self-release, and then we'll test our turkey breast. Our turkey breast has cooked for 50 minutes, and it's been releasing for about 11 minutes, so we're going to do a quick release now. Now I'm going to cover it with tin foil and let it rest for 10 minutes. Our turkey breast has rested for 10 minutes, so let's remove the tin foil. Going to add some of the gravy that was in the Instant Pot. If you want your gravy thick, you can add some slurry to it, cornstarch and water mixture. Be watching soon. I'll have another video coming up with turkey chowder in the Instant Pot. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.